So, I don't know. Wait. Let's check on Twitch. Sinong live sa Twitch? Like, Araya playing. He's also just watching a streamer. Sino papanoorin natin? Puro sila nanonood na lang. Naghihintay na lang sila ulit. Oh my
Hindi ako
gosh.
naggawi sa ano. Sa...
Oh, si Yejin. Yejin is playing. Wait. Switch ko lang. My goat. This guy's also from TYR. He's really good. Thinking about leveling. Ang galing din to. Sobrang galing niya sa tourneys. Basta tourneys, he's a goat. He's so locked in. Look at him, man. Locked in, oh. Did he win? Yo, he won. Sobrang close nun, ah.
AJ!
Yeah, Rodwin, gets ko yung sinasabi mo. Yun yung kanina eh. Man, akala ko kanina matatalo ko ng 9 Frost. Kabang-kaba ako. Ako yung placement niya.
Oh. Hi, BB. Ano score ko? 5-3-1. Mahalas ng first game, grabe. Stage 4-2 hanggang 5-5, Rise 1 na. Ikaw, anong scores mo? Anong sa game?
I went second, third, first.
Ay, wow, bro.
Sino pang mapapanood natin? Everybody's streaming on Twitch. And holy, look at that. First third si Fallen Walls. He's a beast. Wait. Kanina yun eh. Ang sakit naman sa mata. Ibahin ko yung color, guys. Sorry. Guys, why can't I watch a stream? I just want to watch a stream. Hello. Oh, ito pala yung ano, yung scoreboard. This is the scoreboard, guys. Where am I? Where am I? Blue Boxers. Wala pa yung third game. But yeah, I went 7 points, 6 points, and 8 points. So that's for 21 points. 21 points. I should be somewhere here. Yeah, 21 points. 21 points. It's decent. I would say it's decent for the first 3 games. Especially since before this, ang pangit ng games ko. Na-demote nga ako to Grandmaster eh. Nagpa-practice ako and I got demoted. Unfortunately. So ito yun. May game 4 and game 5 pa. But that's gonna happen in around 30 minutes pa siguro. Unfortunately. Can we watch a streamer? What about Riku? Is Riku... Bakit? Sira ba yung Twitch ko, man? It's not working. Maybe it's not allowed on Facebook. I don't know. What about Soju? Guys, what is wrong with my Twitch? My Twitch sucks. Also, this is me on Twitch. Please follow me if you guys can. I'm gonna lie, I wanna eat. I wanna put on a stream, tas kumain muna ako sana. That's what I want to do. Si Mode, hindi rin naglalaro si Mode eh. See, he's watching. Oh, yeah, Lucifer is playing. Yeah, let's just watch Lucifer. Ay, marami pang tao sa lobby niya. Okay, that's good. Super dami pang hindi tapos. Let's just watch Lucifer. I'll be back, guys. I'll just get some food.
I need like a Vigar replacement. Oh, wait. There we go. 4 Bastion, 3 Portal, 3 Mage, 3 Honey, 2 Arcana. Yeah, you're dropping 5? But it took a Honey spot. Or dropping 5 for 3, yeah. But I can't transfer my items over to Vex yet. That's just my problem right now. And it doesn't make sense for me to like... You know? Masterclass? Not really. Pivot King? Not really. I need to find a Xerath. I like a remover. There's like 2 Crown Guards. There's 2 Crown Guards. Wait a minute. They added 3 CG, yeah. I just like a remover or some shit like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 crown guards already.
Do you have cash?
What?
Do you have cash?
Check mo sa wallet, come on. Ha?
Ilang over?
Tatlo. Yeah, this Nora is not doing damage. Maybe with like dummy with one. Okay, Vigar is back.
Three-star.
Tama. Ako naman, build out lang ako kasi tatlo yung nag-jinx.
Tatlo yung nag-jinx. Buti lang wala si Kininaro dun sa lobby mo ah.
Sobrang free ng bot.
Really. But I need like Xerath too first before I go down. I deal no damage. Maybe even drop like Taric Nuno, right? Like drop Taric Nuno. And then play Tom Ari. Fucking kidding me? The Karma one. I said it. Tagal ng game, I know! Ay, kanina delayed oh. Sobrang delayed. Tapos na yung game 1 ng Eva, hindi pa kami nag-start. Ewan ko nga eh. Naghihintay ako ng ano eh. Ng go signal. Eh wala pang go signal. Ayun nga eh. Tapos sa amin hindi pa nag-start. Yeah, exactly. Ano ka ba? 4 cost transforms into a 5 cost? I have a... Just Tom Catch. Fuck it. What? What was this? Nami. I lost mage. It's fixed. It's funny. Look. It's two statics, a fucking mana Zed. It's fine. How am I gonna get free items? Right? Fuck, it had to be Milio. Ugh. Help. I'm moving mana Zed to Nara. Is this Nami? Let's pick a Hodge on Xerath. Okay, it's gone. Uh-huh. Yeah. Fuck this guy. Please, Nami! Balik! Fuck.
How much would it matter if I told you that I need to be yours? Promise I'll never shatter your heart, and I'll stay down forevermore, evermore. Listen to my heartbeat.
Hello.
Oh my god.
What up? What up?
Is
What
it
up?
Big
Blue
bird.
Boxers?
Yes. I'm live ka rin ba, Fallen?
Yeah.
Hello.
You know, co-stream.
How's your games?
Pretty decent. I went second, third, first. Puro
Ooh.
kalista lahat.
Kalista Flex? I'm
Hindi,
down.
yung dalawa fairy, vertical fairy. Yung sa kalista flex.
Vertical Fair. Oh, but
Yeah.
did you get Royal Guard?
Nah, ano lang yung emblem.
Sa laylayan ka pala, Kini. What the fuck? Ikaw
Oh,
yung cut off.
just like me and GM.
Actually, hindi pa kasi wala pang scores yung iba sa baba mo.
May 2 games
Babagsak
pa
ako
yan.
dun sa yellow.
2 games pa.
May 2 games pa. Wag top 4 lang for the next 2 games and I'm good.
For both. Ilang,
Kaya yan.
ilang lobbies pa hinihintay?
Ako 2-2.
1-1 na yan, pre. Ay, delikado yung 2-2 sa spot mo.
Kaya kailangan mo tanggalin yung mga tiebreakers.
Yeah, you need at least one first to like beat tiebreakers kasi uunahin nila yung how many firsts you have. That makes sense.
Ay, dapat ka
Wala ka
nag-break
pang
na.
first manual sa Hajj. Ano scores mo?
Sino?
Si Manuel. Nasa chat mo. Pasok ka nga dito, Manuel. Dito ka naman sa server, di ba? Yeah, he is here.
Pangit, tangina, low seed ako.
Oh, 2-2 is not bad. Kahit mag-2-2 ka next games, okay lang din. Kahit wala akong first.
Ano sa tingin niyo yung cutoff ng points
Oh,
26, 27,
after game 5?
26 to 28.
Do they
Sabi ni
finish?
ChatGPT 25 eh. Pero
ChatGPT.
wala men. Alam mo ba? Hindi, oo, legit. Ginawa ko yun nung first turn ako kasi hindi ko alam yung scoring system. Tapos, sabi sa akin ng friend ko, ano daw yun? Plus 10% kung ano sabihin ni ChatGPT. Kasi hindi niya ina-account yung player skill. Na mas condensed yung sa higher.
Anong scores
The
mo?
current cutoff,
Ay, sorry.
the current cutoff is 15 right now. Pero hindi pa sila they haven't filled in Lucifer's scores yet.
Mm.
So it could go up pa, the cutoff. So if your scores are below 15, you gotta go for first.
Fallen, did you get triple first?
No, I got giga scammed on my third game. I went
Fif-
1-1-3.
15 yung cutoff, di 26 pala.
I mean, I could have top 2'd, but like I got giga scammed. The guy got anger issues into Smolder Briar.
Daming ano to. Daming Smolder Barrow sa final top 3 ngayon.
Yeah, they're just like too good, especially if you get Ginsu.
Hindi ko lang kung dahil day 1 ngayon na medyo passive kasi yung stage 3.
That's a factor. True.
Sa akin kasi puro reroll lobby ko, kaya ano eh. Ang lakas ng stage 3 din.
Hindi ko nilalagay sa line ko yung Smolder.
Hey, thanks for the follow, Fraz.
May seeding ba yung itong next 2 games natin? Ano yung seeding?
Oo.
Points? Or
Yung
rank pa rin?
points.
Okay. Points na.
Per points na.
So it's an advantage pala na mataas yung score mo sa una.
Sana rank ulit para... Peace. Para top seed ulit ako.
Akong tagal pa nito. Tapos
Dami
na
rin pala hindi naka-check in, no?
Si Lucy din yung mga nasa cutoff sa 15. They also have first places, so medyo delikado sa mga magta-tiebreaker.
Wala pa akong first. So,
Kailangan talaga ng first man.
Hindi ka naman, hindi ka naman alanganin eh.
The way you proceed here is you either get consistent top 2 average or at least go 1 first.
1-3 or 2-2. Or 1-1.
Yeah. Basta kailangan ng isang first. Kasi the first will break the tiebreakers.
Tapos na ba lahat?
Like, you can feel safe with 3 firsts, I guess.
Ano bang artifact ni...
Don't they have a list? Wait,
The
let me check.
portal.
The portal?
Si
There should be...
Yumi. Nora. Ano artifact ni Nora?
Nora is Deathfire Grasp.
Ugh.
But
I
then
have the chart here. I'm gonna send it in the chat.
I mean, okay lang. It's like a Rabadon's.
The best talaga yung kaya yung Briar tsaka
Kaya mo papahawak sa portal yung DFG.
Yes.
Nasaan ko na sa channel na to.
Yung Smolder yung base eh.
Yeah, yung Smolder auto dalawang items sa kanya eh.
It's Mittens, man. Mittens, hello. This guy's gonna fly.
Like, Diana's decent as well. Serath pangit. Morgana, it's okay.
Camille, okay lang din eh.
I won with the Camille Golden Quest yesterday. Camille tuloy. Diana tuloy, sorry.
It's still worth taking, no?
You just need a lot of gold. Because if you can't cash out on 4-2, o on 4-1 or 4-2, you're fucked.
True. Kanina sa game ko may nag-hedge fund, tas Golden Quest.
Oh my god!
Oh, sarap.
3-5. May Emilio 2 na siya. Hinga lang, it's Emilio.
Ano placement niya?
Natalo ko pa siya noon nung pagkakuha niya. Hindi ko maalala eh.
Oh god. Wala siyang frontline, no?
Yeah, wala.
Yeah.
Emilio 2. Tapos hedge fund. Parang nag-gigalo streak siya. Hindi siya nag-level agad.
You know, why don't they give Morgana like ground guard instead of redemption?
Yeah,
Kinda sucks. Ano mo, Visage already heals.
Yun, ididig mo pa yung items ni Morgana to unless you wanna thief love it.
Yeah.
Man. Parang nagsisink in na sa akin. Kung gusto ko sumali sa cup, sa trials talaga ako dadaan.
You always join trials, man.
Ilan yung kukunin for cup from GMC?
Isa.
Is yung winner lang.
Mhm.
Yung winner lang.
We're sharing with so many countries, man. So,
Lipat na lang tayo lahat sa Japan. Kunin natin slot sila.
Yeah, right, dude.
Oh,
that to
6:40.
say that to Taro.
7:46.
Hindi, marami silang slots eh. Di ba? Nasa
Bro!
20 something.
There's still one more lobby finishing game
Is
3.
that real? Sino? What lobby?
I don't know.
Miss
Di ba
me.
tapos na? Parang
Announcement.
kompleto na sa akin eh.
Ang pangit kasi ng
Ay,
system nila. Kontinong mods.
Yeah.
Di lang talaga marunong mag-gather yung mga ibang Pinoy minsan.
Yung kailangan pa ng confirmation bago start. Kahit ano.
Yeah, medyo natagalan din kami dahil dun eh.
Oo, sa amin din eh.
Mag-ask ako ng, can we start? Can we start? Tapos mga 5-10 minutes maghihintay.
Nag-i-review.
Mm.
Parang 4 lang or 5 sila. Ayan, ask.
Mas gusto ko yung mas gusto ko yung format ng like lang ages and the other tournaments kasi they just require you to send a screenshot na full lang yung lobby then you can start. Like they don't have to wait for their confirmation.
Mhm.
So like if kulang naman kayo, if di naman talaga tama, they can always just start the lobby.
Man, bigyan nila ako ng isang hindi jinx augment.
Ana, please. I don't want to see 5 out of 5 jinx.
Yun,
Sa
sige.
Puro jinx ba ginagawa mo?
Tignan mo
Game
yung
so
ano,
far, man.
Tignan mo to. Ito yung mga augment ko. Augment ko ng 2-1. Tapos scroll up ka.
Oh my god.
What can I do, man?
Category 5.
Yung with Chihuahua,
Reverse
gusto ko
skill.
kunin kaso may-ari eh.
Ano yun, may nag-contest sa'yo. Yeah, kaya di ako
Oo.
Kanina may jinx angle din ako pero wala talaga, nag-fast 8 lang talaga ako kasi alam ko makakontest ako. Such a popular comp.
Guys, check nyo pa lang scores nyo ha, kasi maraming nagko-complain sa scoring concerns.
Yeah, I mean so far it's accurate for me.
Hindi ko lang din gusto na din labi na bump kapag may DQ. So, diba? Naka-apekto sa laro.
Nag-merge na nga yung lobbies namin eh. Lobby 40 tsaka 42, nag-merge yung players.
Yay, nako. Muntikan ko na nga pinut yung Pioneer Center.
Hey!
Hey.
Sorry.
Pero tama naman yung point kanina. I don't know if it was addressed. May nag-ask na what if you take at what cost and then you get find your center.
Oo nga, no?
Ay, oo nga naman.
It's
I don't know if that was addressed by the admins.
Well, siguro kapag nangyari na yun.
Grabe yung kay Yeche, ang daming mali.
Kaya nga eh. Check nyo lang ha, kasi baka, baka kayo din.
Ngayon lang nag-online lahat ng sabay-sabay yung old folder ko. All 15.
Ba't nandyan sa lobby si Karina tsaka Skawi?
Tapos na yata lahat. Nagkakalabi na. Ako lang ba naiwan sa atin?
What do you mean?
Ako lang mababa.
Sushi, bakit mo tinanong, is this allowed? Ano yung allowed?
Yung ano, tatrash talkan sila dun kanina, meron pa kasunod yan eh.
Di naman trash
Kasi
talk
2
to.
games. Hindi yung after nun.
Yung tinatype mo siguro dito para di mamaya ng contest.
Oo.
Di naman BM yan ah. Parang stating the obvious kinda.
Hindi, after kasi nung ano, after na nagtrash talkan sila ng dalawa.
Oh.
Oo. Hindi ko na napansin nag-reply sila.
Fair.
Oh, si My Mouth is open. 228 score niya. Yung 771.
Nag-drop na si Ed.
Bakit siya mag-drop?
Nag-drop si Ed.
Nag-first shot
Yung si Ed.
Si Hell Screamer.
Oh.
Ano siya? Nag-1-8 ah. Buhay pa siya. Sayang naman.